How does PLR work? In today's YouTube video, I'm going to talk about how PLR works and how you can use it for your business. Hi, I'm Sharlrita Deloatch. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where I talk all things passive income for stay-at-home moms and wives. If you would, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also hit that like button and hit that notification bell so every time that I upload a new passive income video, you will be the first to know. The passive income that I talk about in this channel is writing and publishing books on KDP, affiliate marketing, UGC creation, also passive cryptocurrency and digital products. PLR. Now, PLR also stands for private label rights. What it does, it works by giving the buyer the right to use, modify, and sell a product as their own. And here's how it typically works. First things first, the buyer purchases the PLR product from the vendor or website. All right, I have some listed in my description that you can take a look. So if you go to that website, you can purchase it, and then most PLR products include digital products, graphics, videos, articles, ebooks, and software. So you will make the purchase. Now, the buyer, which is you can customize the product to suit your needs. You can add your own branding. You can change some content, also modify the design. And the third thing is the buyer, which is you can use it to customize products for your own business. So you can use it to make blog posts if you wanted to use it for articles, if you want to use for video. There's also some PLR sites that already create the digital products for you, or they create the journals for you, or they create the books for you, the ebooks, and you can use them at your discretion. You can actually sell them on your website, whether that's a WordPress website, whether you're using systems such as Pinsite or PayHip, you will be able to use it on your own and you'll be able to make money. Also, depending on the PLR license terms, the buyer may also be able to resell it. So you can resell it, what I just said, where you can make money online, create content, so you can use it at your discretion. Also, be aware of PLR websites that you purchase from. Make sure that you look at their license terms, and most of them will tell you what you can do with their products and what you can't do with their products. Also, understand that it's important to know that all PLR licenses are not the same, and they can be very, very different depending on limitation and restrictions. Now, some PLR licenses will allow you to use it for personal use, or use it for, or you can resell it to other buyers. Again, it all depends on their terms and conditions. It's make sure that you read over the terms and conditions of the PLR product before you actually distribute. All right. You want to avoid any legal issues or any copyright infringements.